Nothing says fall dessert like pumpkin pie, and when it comes to pies, my favorite kind are the no-bake ones. We're gonna start by whisking together our gelatin. This pie sort of gives you the pumpkin pie cheesecake vibes with the graham cracker crust, and it's gonna have that nice, thick custard setup. The gelatin, along with cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. You don't need to go out and buy the separate pumpkin pie spice if you've got those in your cabinet already. And then a little bit of salt, along with one of my favorite ingredients of all time, sweetened condensed milk. Finally, you're gonna add in 2 lightly beaten eggs. Once everything is in your saucepan, let it sit for about a minute before you crank the heat on. Then you're gonna cook this over low heat for about 10 minutes until it's nice and thickened, and then all that gelatin has dissolved. Once your mixture is rich and thick, we're gonna remove it from the heat and stir in our pumpkin. Oh, there's that beautiful pumpkin pie color. Final step is to just pour it into your graham cracker crust. And then I'm gonna refrigerate this for at least 3 hours. I really recommend doing it even the day before. And that's it. See you in a bit. And voila! And you gotta finish off a pumpkin pie with some fresh whipped cream and a little freshly grated nutmeg to make it pretty. This is gonna be better than store-bought and probably less expensive to make. Let's get into it. It's gonna be good. Yum. Oh, this is gonna be good. Perfectly set up, creamy. Got that crunchy graham cracker crust. The perfect bite. I don't know that I was even expecting it to be that good. This really is the only pumpkin pie recipe you're gonna need this year. Trust me on that one. Happy fall, y'all.